Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up the VPN. So you need to first log in your account, then go to the user section and then select the user which one you need to set up in the VPN. So we already create this one, so click here this eye icon. You will see the your account details like subscription link and app token normally using in the Android app. So in the PC you need to copy the subscription link and go to the subject and then click here the plus icon and then paste the URL and then type any kind of name in the remark section. I just normally type, and here is the update. You need to type 336. It's automatically update after 7 days, like you need to confirm. Then again click here the subscription group and then click update subscription without proxy. Then you can see here the server list. Okay, let's go. How can you active the VPN, like how to turn on? Like here in the bottom, here is the option, the enable tone. You can click here. You can click again the enable tone. So the VPN is on right now. So in the system proxy you need to choose system proxy, and then in the VPS routing here is the like there is another option, so you can choose that one. I already changed the name. And how can you change the server? Like I need to go to France to Japan, like I need to click right in the mouse section and then set as active. Okay, and if you want to switch to German, like set as active. So thank you everyone. In the next video I'll show you in v2RayN VPN some setup guideline.